Well, hello there, I'm Jord from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making pumpkin puree from a fresh big pumpkin. You can throw everything into the freezer and use it for all your fall recipes. So, let's start.
Alright, let's get this party started. I have a big pumpkin which I'm cutting in half. Be careful with that big knife. Start by de-seeding the pumpkin. We will make something nice of the seeds in the next video, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Grab a baking sheet and put the pumpkin cut side down on the sheet. Make some music and put them on a 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 45 to 60 minutes or until the pumpkin is soft. It all depends on the size of your pumpkin. I was lucky here because you can see how much liquid comes out of the pumpkin, so keep an eye on that. I wanted to see what worked best, peeling the skin or scraping out all of the flesh and leaving the skin intact. Scraping out the flesh definitely worked better and was way faster and easier. Grab a colander and let all of the pumpkin flesh release its moisture. Let this sit for around 1 hour. When it has released most of its liquid, transfer everything into a blender and blend it until smooth and silky.
And that's it! It was super fun to make, right? I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.